I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to change your phone number on Monese, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Monese app. Launch the Monese app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once you are in the app, navigate to the Settings menu. You can usually find this by tapping on your profile icon in the top corner. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Personal Information or Account Details. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Update phone number. Find the section for your phone number and tap on it. Enter your new phone number and confirm it by following the prompt. Note, make sure to double check the number. A typo could lead to verification issues. Step 5. Verify your new number. After updating, you will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code in the app to finalize the change. That's it. You've successfully changed your phone number on Monese. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. Happy banking!